Hello, aspiring cadets. I have good news because Padayon Aplicante is officially launching our second year of free online review. Yes, tama po ang pagkarinig nyo. This is now our second year of providing a free online review for aspirants of PMA, PNPA, PMMA, and APSAT. Our free online review will start this April and classes will be held twice every week. Each subject will be discussed one at a time so lessons are easier to understand and more effective. Be excited because our teachers are top-notch, starting with Sir Juan Catalan, a doctor of education, a public schools district supervisor of Ordaneta City, and is currently pursuing a PhD in mathematics education at the Philippine Normal University. We also have Miss Judia Catalan, currently taking her master's in education, major in chemistry, and a consistent honor student during her academic year. With their guidance, you can expect academic excellence and effective teaching. We would like also to thank our generous sponsor, Nai Nashua. This free online review would not be possible without her support. So don't forget to follow our Facebook page, Padayon Aplicante, for updates and announcement, and share this with your fellow aspirants. And here's another good news. Young Filipino Patriot is already conducting a free online review, which you may also join while waiting for our schedule. This is a great way to stay prepared, focused, and consistent in your review. So good luck, Padayon aspiring cadets. The journey is tough, but the dream is worth fighting for.